Hello, in front of me I've got TCL 20L. Today I'll show you how to create folders in home screen. It's pretty simple. Just tap on icon, hold it and put it on the other icon. Now your folder is created. Now to change name of the folder, click here and choose name. Great. To remove folder, click icon again and drag it back to my screen and folder is removed. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.